What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can screen record. I can't really show you it properly because I am screen recording right now for Mac only, but it's a very simple, easy way to start YouTube like I have. So what you need to do, go here, type in, and then this should come up. You touch it, and then this will come up right here. You see this? So it's a QuickTime Player, but you need to have version 10.0. If you don't have version 10.0, you can't do it. So what you do, you go to new screen recording, you click on it, they'll come up with a big circle, it will say start recording, you press that and then this will come here telling you to stop recording, and yeah, that is how you screen record.